Hello there, this is Deborah with the Roma Delight Beauty Care Products. And today you caught me in the middle of making a product. I wasn't going to do the video, but then I realized I haven't did a video in a little while, and I thought, why not? So I'm already in the midst of doing this video, but I will tell you what I put in it. This is a special order from my brother and a few friends. My brother basically stated to me a couple of months ago that he wanted something for very dry skin on his feet. My brother worked construction for many years, and over the years, just wear and tear. So I looked, he showed me the situation. So what I'm doing is just adding a lot of good oils with a lot of amazing properties. The only one I didn't put in it was Emu, because I was out of it. And if I had it, it'd be in it. So, but I did come up with a really good recipe here that I think that's going to really be helpful to him. I have more than one product that I'm making for him because I take this very serious, and I always do. I also have, that I've already worked on, is some, I haven't labeled it yet, but this is actually some organic coconut milk powder with sea salt and Epsom salt. And what he's going to do, what I'm going to recommend for him to do, is to soak his feet in this. And then once he dry his feet off, he's going to use the foot balm, hand balm. This is just going to be amazing. Butter, not a body butter, but it's made up the same way that he can use on his hands or his feet. I wouldn't recommend using this on his face because it's a little bit too much oils. But I use some really nice properties here. In oils and other products. I used avocado kernel oil. No, avocado oil, not avocado kernel oil. I'm thinking of this other one. But anyway, I use avocado oil. I use my luxurious rosehip seed oil that I use really light for face cream. I use some even Primrose, and I just didn't throw a bunch of oils together. I really researched and know what's going to work good, and some of them actually combine. But I wanted to. I really wanted to do it that way. I use some jojoba oils. I use apricot kernel oil. I use some sweet almond oil. I actually use some vegetable glycerin for the moisture, to pour more moisture into the skin. I use some bentonite clay. I use some beeswax. And I use some zinc oxide. What else did I use? I used some tea tree oil. I used some lavender 4042 essential oils. Now I've got a lot of products here in this, but you know what? When he told me the problem, I didn't get on it right away because I didn't realize that he was really going through that. I had kind of told him some things on the phone that I thought he could use. But once I was there visiting, I realized you better get at it. So I'm making my brother some special concoction. No, I'm making my brother some special oils here, or a special blend of different things that I think is going to work really good for him. Like I said, I'd already started the video, but if you watch my videos on body butter, it is made up pretty much the same way. Only this is not emulsified body butter or emulsified foot balm or hand balm. This is just, the butter's just been melted, and I whip them until they get pretty much, get the air all in it, to get really fluffy here. So I've pretty much whipped it already, but I could do a double whip where I put it back in the freezer and let it freeze up again and then whip it again, but I don't think that's going to be necessary for what I'm using it for. I think it's going to be just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and put this into the jar here. And you can smell the tea tree. This is basically my recipe that I've made this before for a customer here in Greenfield that had some really dry skin and stuff, and they said it worked awesome. And I had made this for one of my brothers who no longer with us, and I thought it worked really good on him as well too. For his dry skin, he had really dry skin while he was in the hospital. So let's see. So I'm going to go ahead, and I'm not going to really weigh this because this is specially made just for him. Normally I weigh all my products when they're going to be resold, but this is going to my brother. I've tried it before and it's awesome. I think this is really going to help him really good. I do have a customer that did ask me for something else similar to this, so I'm going to try this and see if they like it as well. Okay, like I said, shaking up the screen here. It's really oily, but I believe it's going to really, with the products that I use, the zinc oxide, the vegetable glycerin, all of the wonderful properties. It's pretty oily here, but it's not terribly oily. I don't believe it's going to, the oils that I'm using is going to keep his skin from not being able to breathe. They're still going to be able to breathe because I did do my homework here. So basically, you're going to put this on your hands or your feet, and just put some socks on or something so you don't slip down or something, or just, put it on. You don't have to put it on real heavy, you can just put it on real light. It doesn't feel so greasy. I thought it would be really greasy, but I think the Bentonite clay helps it a lot too. I think he's going to really like this. Like I said, also I'm going to do 3 products for him: the rose water with the glycerin, and the soaking products here, the soaking milk. You can, if you're at home and you don't have any coconut milk powder, you can use regular milk. Just put the milk into the water and put your feet in and soak it, and it's going to really soften your skin, and I think it's going to help some of that dead skin. Now you can also use other things like doing a vinegar rinse, but I wasn't sure if there was cuts or something in his feet or something where they could bleed. I didn't want any to do that. I didn't want to get the vinegar in there to start burning, but that's good too. Vinegar, it might sting a little bit, but it's proven at home remedy for softening dry feet. So you can try that. Okay, so this is a very short video, and I'm sorry about the other video. I was supposed to, my next video was actually supposed to be the soap dough, but what happened there is I was going to narrate the video because I had the sound off. And as I was trying to narrate it, I found out my little thing didn't work. So that video is coming, and I've got a lot of video for 2019, the Lord's willing, that I like to show you how I make products. I can't thank you enough for all my customers. I mean, I'm just amazed at the website being out of stock with products, and I'm just so blessed to be able to send products to my my homeless shelter that was so kind to me and my husband when we was really struggling, kept us in their prayers and everything. I'm a grateful person, and I'm just really honored that so many people appreciate the products and tried the products and have told me they like the products. I'm really blessed. I feel so grateful, and I am very grateful. So thank you. I'm going to make this video short, but I just want to share with you what I made for my sweet brother. He would do anything for anybody. He's one of the kindest people I know. So I'm going to come back with the labels. They're all labeled, professionally done, and I do have some of these products for a few customers that asked me. So thank you, and I wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. Bye now.